the Nasdaq compared to the total market cap too. But very similar, you know, the crazy bull market, and then the dot-com bubble, you know, and the trying to work its way back out of that bear market. You know, price gets up and well, you can see here it tests the first bounce. Okay, and this was the first bounce here. We dropped down. This was actually the first bounce. And where did price test? Price came in here and tested the first bounce off the large drop. In theory, no, I'm not saying that this is going to play out the exact same, but in theory, we were right here on that, and there actually was one more drop. So, you know, is the market going to have a drop from this level on a new year to then only, you know, go absolutely parabolic? So, you know, but you can see from looking at this, from the structure here in the Nasdaq and whatever, you know, we are early. We are early. The bull market has not even started yet, you know, because the crypto market will take out the highs. It will take out these highs, definitely. You know, there's no question about that. This market will grow. There's no question about that. I don't think at all. This market will grow. We are early, very early. The bull market has not even started. Now, do we get some sort of pullback like we did here? We got one last pullback off this bounce and this run, and then that was the true bull market. That's when it started, and that's when it went for 10 years straight to the upside. Now, we could do that. This could very well happen. Now, there's reasons for that, because Bitcoin, the gaps in the Bitcoin market. Okay, so there's gaps in the Bitcoin market. Now, down here at 9,000, right? There's a gap down here at 9,000. I don't know if we can hit that. There's another one, as you can see right here. Whatever that is, 15, 16,000. I think there's one at 3,000 as well, or 13,000. Don't quote me on that. I forget where the gaps are. There's one here as well, 11,000, just from quick eyeing it. And there's another one here at 18,000.